Linking your bank to Circle.so Enterprise can streamline your financial transactions and enhance your experience on the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Access your Circle.so account. Log into your Circle.so Enterprise account using your credentials. Ensure that you have administrative rights to make changes to the financial settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment setting. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Circle to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank linking option. In the payment settings, find the option to link a bank account. This may be labeled as link bank account or add bank account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank name, account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Now you are ready to use your linked bank account with Circle.so Enterprise. Make sure to keep your account information secure and monitor your transactions regularly.